Improving your word game. Strengthen your vocabulary choices. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to explore a crucial editing technique: identifying and replacing weak or vague words. By the end of this video, you'll have mastered the art of choosing strong and precise vocabulary to make your writing clearer and more impactful. Weak or vague words are terms that don't convey a clear or specific meaning in a sentence. They can make your writing seem unsure, unconvincing, or imprecise. Here are some examples. Stuff. This word is quite general. What kind of stuff? Clothes? Books? Ideas? Things. Similar to stuff, things, lacks precision. Very. This is often overused. Instead of saying, very big, you can use a stronger adjective like huge or enormous. The key is to spot these words and replace them with ones that give your readers or listeners a clearer image or understanding. 1. Read out loud. Sometimes, our ears catch what our eyes miss. By reading your text aloud, you might spot vague words more easily. 2. Ask for feedback. Another person can offer a fresh perspective on your word choices. 3. Use writing tools. There are several online tools and software that can highlight potential weak words or phrases in your text. Once you've identified these words, how do you replace them? Here are some steps. 1. Understand the context. Before replacing any word, understand what you're trying to convey. A word that's perfect in one sentence might be off in another. 2. Use a thesaurus. This tool can offer synonyms. For instance, instead of saying, make better, you can use, improve. 3. Avoid overused adverbs. Words like, really, very, and quite can often be dropped or replaced for a stronger impact. For example, instead of really good, try excellent. 4. Be specific. If you're referring to a thing or stuff, ask yourself what exactly that is. Is it a book, a concept, a tool? There you have it. By identifying and replacing weak or vague words, you're not just editing, you're elevating your writing. With practice, this process will become second nature. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, every word choice is an opportunity to communicate more effectively. Happy writing!